What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So I'm back on this F-150. We just got this approval to make this exhaust system fit right, and I was wrong. It wasn't a customer install. It wasn't another shop install. This customer called a mobile mechanic to put his exhaust system on. That's your first mistake. And what I don't understand is how mobile mechanics are getting away with doing that. And the same thing with mobile paint guys. I just don't understand. How can they come to your house and spray hazardous chemicals and materials in front of your house or at your job, mobile paint, but most importantly, mobile mechanics. So a mobile mechanic, for one, is usually coming to your house or your work to work on it. And there's codes in every township that prevent you from working on your vehicle in your driveway or in the street. Did you know that? You're not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to change your oil. You're not allowed to do something like that. So how are these guys getting away with it? What I believe these guys are doing is working under the radar, and that's how they're getting away with it. But if you or I were working under the radar, guess what? Oh, there's a fine for this and a fine for that, and oh, you can't do this. And I'll give you a scenario, right? I applied to the township to do body work, right? And that's repair, right? It's just mechanical work, replacement of parts, no chemicals, and no paint. Denied. I'm already a shop. No chemicals, no paint. Denied to have a body shop repair license only, which is it's just repair. But yeah, so this was a mobile mechanic's job, and where are people's heads? He paid for this system. Would he walk out to the guy and say, "Wow, you did a good job"? Hi, Ace.
How you doing, buddy?
What's up?
Today's a good day.
Today's a great day. Here, look at this exhaust system. Look at this exhaust. So this guy purchased this kit, right? And then called a mobile mechanic to put it on. So he's definitely not an exhaust guy.
What are we looking at? No hanger?
Well, hold on. Look from the back. Just look at everything. And you're not an exhaust guy. Bob's a paint and body guy.
Yeah.
I mean, look, this isn't even tight.
Yeah, right.
Mobile mechanic. I just got this. This is coming from another garage that we do exhaust work for. And I said, we got this exhaust that's a mess. Can you look at it? And then the story is the customer bought this kit and had a mobile mechanic install it.
Is it hitting there or not?
Well, he obviously had no clue. No clue. If I was doing this job and it was all clamped on,
right,
I would turn the clamps upside down, right? Because it looks more professional.
Right.
But what he didn't realize, he was installing a defect system. That front pipe, if you clock it over to the right,
yeah,
it puts that hanger in the wrong position so you can't hang it.
Okay.
So even though they sell these kits, they don't tell you it's not a blem kit.
Right.
They just say, hey,
Yeah.
you know, someone returned it, or we know this line's bad and good luck, and this is what happened.
See, this is what I look at. So like, you said you would have the fucking clamps going the other way. You put the clamps the other way, you had to take something off. How you gonna get to them?
Once I install it, you're never going to have to get it off. When somebody like this puts it on, you need to put it in this position, but yeah. All right, so I'm going to fix it right now. I'll do another video. Thanks for watching.